going to show you how I trained Belle to ring the doorbell in order to go out the door for potty. This is her signal that she needs to go. So it's a simple touch. Yes, she can move it with her nose and get a treat. So over here, Belle, please. Come here. So first, before I taught her about that, I taught her how to do hand targets, which is a simple thing I teach all my dogs. Simple, easy, treat in hand. Have them nose boop it to get the treat. And eventually you can get to where a simple hand and they'll nose boop to get the treat. And we play several games of boops at different levels. And we'll come over here, please. I'm going to come this way a little bit just so you can see that nose boop again. There you go. Good job. And so then I went from there to being able to boop the doorbell. And Belle can obviously do that, but so I just held my hand in front of the doorbell and let it ring with the same treat association. And then I held just the treat by the doorbell. Wait. You need to come over here, please. Come that way. So I held just the treat by the doorbell, so they had to hit the doorbell in order to get the treat. And I'm going to toss treats away and move her back so you can see her coming in. And when she got really good at it, I would just say button and drop the treat on the ground. Go get the treat. Button. And then when we were done with the training stage in this and she knew how to touch the button on cue, I would simply say, you need to go out to go potty. And if she did, she would hit the button and I would open the door and let her out. If she didn't hit the button, she didn't need to go. Now she's just doing it because she wants the treats. So we did have that little bit of a struggle in the training period of when she would do it just to ask for treats occasionally. So I put my buttons on a Velcro backing instead of a sticky backing so that if ever I need to take it up and move it, I can remove it away from the thing. This one is actually stuck permanently, but all my other, ow, no, back up, calm down, I need you to lay down a minute, thanks. All my other buttons are now Velcroed to the wall, up, down, so that I can pick them up and move them from place to place. I can have it inside or outside, wherever I've stuck a piece of Velcro for them to connect to. And so this is a really simple Amazon purchase button. And now Belle can, from any distance, hit the button. Yes, good girl. And so just to show from backing off what it would look like normally, we might be in a training exercise in the big room here. We might be doing something else. Belle, come here. At the front. And if she needed to go potty, she could run over and hit the button. Let's turn it so that you guys can see the button before she does that. So there's the button. You might be doing a heel zone around the bucket. And then I would go button. Good, button. Yeah. Didn't quite ring that time, but that's okay. Button. We might have worn it out. It might need a break. Or we might have got it dirty. So every now and then I do have to go and clean my button. When I get tugs on it. But alright, so Belle, button. No, you missed. Get it. Button. You missed. Get it. Button. There you go. Yeah, so I don't really care if she hits it with her nose or her paw, just so that she lets me know she needs to go out. Yeah, good job. So sometimes we just practice this as a movement game too, and we let her hit the button and get treats, because she can chase treats across the room. You come back and hit the button again. Button. I wait for the sound when we're playing this game. She can try to hit it multiple times. Button. You missed. Button. There we go. Good job. And that's how we train the potty button, and she can tell me when she needs to go potty.